The truck is on fire. It's shredded.
Holy crap, man. That's real shredding. I don't think I'm gonna go there, man. What do you think?
Oh, and he just escaped. Poor guy. Should we call 911 for him?
Yeah. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Okay, they're cops coming.
Where?
Oh, they're. Okay, let me get out of the way. This is dangerous shit, eh?
It's shredded.
What, do you think he was smoking? Okay, maybe though I'm gonna put the cell phone down because the cops are. You know, you keep shooting. Because I don't know if I should. He doesn't know what's going on. He's saying, "Holy crap, man."
They got into shit.
Yeah.
The cops don't let you drive by a burning truck.
Because if
Oh, that guy's going. He's getting in shit. Oh, the cop. Busted. Oh, and he's full of gas too.
No way.
That's fucking awesome. Good job, buddy. Good job.
He's gonna give him so much. Over there, man. There's action though.
Oh, and there's a truck burning, and the guy with the truck is getting a ticket because he's driving with gas.
No way. No, there's no way he's driving with gas.
What do you think that is?
No. He doesn't have any signs, man.
Or some dangerous something.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess the cops can go and see what's going on. We can't.
Fuck, man.
So what do we do now?
It's getting bigger.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get shredded. Wow. We couldn't catch it from the beginning, unfortunately.
Yeah, but we saw it when it wasn't even.
Oh, that guy's getting in shit too.
You know.
Next guy. Well, I don't see the big problem, but can just go by.
That's the thing. If something happens and the cop was looking, he could be like he'll be responsible, right?
Well, what's the worst that can happen? The truck will explode. We're too close, anyways. Right?
Should we call the radio?
You know what we should do? We should just get out of here.
Well, there isn't much we can do, right?
I know, but if that thing explodes, it will hit us with some shit.
You think so?
I don't know. Well, the tank will catch on fire sooner or later. I think so. I don't know.
This is the new technique that the shredded company is using now. If you have like very important documents that need to be shredded,
so this really confidential information.
They'll actually take into a truck and
yeah, we should advise our company to use them. I think we use them, so this is pretty secure. That's the most secure shredding service ever.
That's a good idea for a businessman.
Yep.
Instead of shred it, we'd call it burn it.
Yep, burn it. Yeah, all the action.
Well, it's just, you know what? We'll know for sure how long it takes for the fire department to get here.
Oh yeah. Just go and spit in it. Snow's not helping.